Baba Harbachan Singh Temple is a holy shrine located in Gangtok, Sikkim, situated on the way to Nathula Pass. It is one of the oldest shrines in Sikkim and among the best places to visit in Gangtok. Gangtok to Baba Mandir distance around 53 kilometers and located at an altitude of 13,000 feet from the sea level. April-May months are sunny day and temperature nearby 20 to 25 degree, but sometimes fall down to 15 degree also. July, August and September are heavy rainy months and quite chance of landslide and road block. Permit and entry rules to visit Baba Harbachan Singh Mandir. Indian tourists visiting Baba Harbachan Singh Mandir require special permit to visit. October-November is moderate and very comfortable temperature around 15 to 20 degree, and from December temperatures start to fall down. These special permits are provided by travel agents in Sikkim Government Authority. There are two special posts through which you can visit Baba Harbachan Singh Mandir. They are either through Gangtok or Rangoli. To create permit, the visitor has to provide below document: 2 passport size photograph for each member above 5 years, an ID with valid ID proof xerox copy is required to create permit for each member above 5 years. Foreigner required valid India visa and ILP from Sikkim traveler. There are 2 routes to reach Baba Harbachan Singh Mandir. Gangtok to Baba Harbachan Singh Mandir via Mandakini waterfall, Tsongo Lake or Chengo Lake, distance 54 km. Rangoli to Baba Harbachan Singh Mandir via Juluk Valley, Gangtok Valley, Kapur Lake, distance 58 km. Late Sipahi Harbachan Singh was enrolled into the Punjab Regiment on 9/5/1966, born in the village of Barondal in Kapurthala district of Punjab. He enlisted in the army at an early age and found himself posted on the misty height of the China-India border near Nathula Pass. The searching for his body continued for a couple of days but was abandoned due to inclement weather. And one day Harbachan Singh appeared in the dream one of the Sipahi in his unit. In the dream, Harbachan Singh informed his colleague that he was no longer alive and told him that exact spot where his body would be found. He asked him to construct a samadhi at the spot where his body would be found, adding that would always patrol the area, never give up being a soldier. Harbachan Singh disappeared from the Sipahi dream. When the man woke up, he dismissed the dream as a manifestation of his grief for Harbachan Singh's loss. It was not until another member of the same unit had the same dream drawn to the last detail that suspicions got aroused. It seemed an incredible coincidence that 2 people would have dreamed the same sequence of the event. Soon a searching party was dispatched to the spot that has been described in the dream, and the late Sipahi Harbachan Singh's body was found. He was cremated with fully military honor and his samadhi was made at Chokha Choha as per the wishes that he had expressed in his dream. Caretakers of Samadhi would swear that early morning the bed sheet would appear crushed as if someone had slept in the wet previous night, and carefully polished wood would be soiled and covered with mud. Visitors bring bottle of water and take it back from their family, as it is believed that water left at the Samadhi for a period of time turn to water that is capable of curing ailments. The Indian Army soon released the importance of late Sipahi Harbachan Singh, and in honor of his contribution, he was posthumously promoted as honorary captain. Even a paycheck would be sent to his home in Kapurthala every month, and more interesting, he would be allotted annual leave on September 14 every year.